Now we are going to give you a review about Maizena. This is a corn flour, and yeah, this is gluten-free. So if you are searching for the gluten-free, or you're going to make gluten-free cake, so Maizena is your friend. And from the left side you can see the quite explanation or the guidance for making something. For example, if you are going to make a puddings, 1 liter water can be used 80 until 90 grams of maizena. And also if you are going to make another things like biscuit, cookie, there's ingredient guidance that you can use. Or you're going to make fondue, and this is useful, how many grams that you need to use this maizena. And you can see this is the Unilever as the distributor or producer in Swiss and also in Austria. In the back you will find recipe if you are going to make something. This is in German, and the bottom is in French, so yeah, but no in English. And from the right side, this is the same information, as you can see, and you can see also the nutrition fact here. And this is the NATO, and ingredients of this maizena is 100 of amidon the maize. So this is really a corn flour, pure corn flour. Hi guys, I hope this review is quite useful for you. And yeah, don't forget, in the upside you can see the expiration date. This is quite long, and yeah, this is already open actually, so to close this this is a good mechanism to close it. Even you already broke everything in the upside already open, you can still make it close it by this mechanism, so that's the flour will be still in good conditions. And also inside is another paper there. It should be okay, so you can close the paper and close the outside paper, and it will be good in the storage. So guys, I hope this quick video is useful for you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe the channel, and keep your comments on any questions or what. Thank you very much. See you later, and have a good day. Have a nice day. See you.